Good evening, my bedtime buddies. Are you ready for bed? I hope so, because it's time for our bedtime Bible stories. I'm going to read you another true story from the book of Genesis, chapters 6 through 9. This story is called Safe in the Boat. I wonder who this could be about. God was very, very sad, for all the people were so bad. They would cheat and they would lie. They would make their sisters cry. They would kick and steal and fight, though they knew it wasn't right. Noah was the only one who was pleasing in God's sight. God told Noah, "Build a boat, make it strong so it will float. Make it tall and make it wide, and put a lot of rooms inside." So Noah's family built the boat. They made it strong so it would float. But all the people laughed and said, "Ha, they are loony in the head. Where's the water? Where's the sea? They're as crazy as can be." They weren't so crazy. They were obeying God. God brought animals 2 by 2. They skipped and crawled and hopped and flew. They squeaked and barked and chirped and mooed. That boat would be a floating zoo. Lots and lots of animals. God commanded, "Let it rain." And so it rained on hill and plain. Lightning flashed and thunder roared. It sprinkled, showered, rained, and poured. The water got deep. It covered the ground. But those in the boat were safe and sound. Days and weeks and months went by before the ground was finally dry. But then God said, "It's time to come out." So out they came with a roar and a shout. And what did they see when they looked up high? A shining rainbow in the sky. Who put that rainbow in the sky? Why, God did, of course. God put the rainbow in the sky and He made a promise. So next time you see a rainbow in the sky, remember, God always keeps His promises. Always. And God promised to always love you. You can count on that. So snuggle in, turn off the light, close your eyes and say goodnight. God will keep you in His care. Remember, He is always there. God bless you and keep you, my friend. Sleep tight. Good night.